step-by-step tips to become a lawyer. Firstly, learn about jobs and careers in the legal field. If you're considering a career as a lawyer, you should first conduct research on the legal professions. The Law School Admissions Council's Discover Law portal, for instance, includes information about what is it like to be a lawyer and how to prepare for law school. Second, develop communication and reasoning skills and strong work ethic. After you identify that the law profession is a good fit for you, you should look for academic and extracurricular experiences that will help you develop skills necessary to become a great lawyer. This is because law schools do not require a specific bachelor's degree. They look for students with strong academics and strong reading, writing, and research skills. Pursuing courses in social sciences, philosophy, psychology, science, technology, engineering, mathematics is a great asset because logical reasoning is a fundamental component of the legal profession. So STEP courses actually contribute to great learning experience. Third, study for LSAT or